G'day, Jack Hughes from Elders Real Estate. We're here at Ocean Breeze Estate, where only 4 blocks remain. This is one of Yeppoon's remaining prestige estates. It's 200 metres to the beach, ocean views, and you're 5 minutes to CBD. This is where luxury and convenience meet. Come check it out. With registration of titles due in 2 weeks, if you're looking to build immediately, this could be the estate for you. If you need more information, contact myself or Paul Minto from Elders Real Estate Yeppoon.